Hello little scientists, welcome to Alan IntelliBrain. You must have seen that some objects float in water while other objects sink in water. In this video, come let us learn about the various objects that float and the ones that sink in it. From your Intelli Smart Box, take out the Floating and Sinking Activity Kit. From the Floating and Sinking Activity Kit, take out a rubber eraser, a wooden piece, a foam piece, a rubber ball, marbles, a small plastic ball, toothpicks, an iron nail, thumb pins, a paper clip and balloons. You will also need a plastic bottle cap and a big container from your home. Take a big container and fill 3/4 of it with water like this and place it on a table or any flat surface. Now take the rubber eraser and drop it in water. Can you see that it has sunk to the bottom of the container? Now let's drop the wooden piece in the water and observe what happens to the wooden piece. Yes, it floats on the surface of the water. Now inflate the balloon by blowing air into it like this and place it on the water surface. Can you see? It floats on the surface of the water. Now fill the other balloon with water like this and place it on the water and let's see what happens. Yes, it sinks. Now let us drop the foam piece in the water and see what happens. Yes, it floats on the surface of the water. Let us now drop the toothpick in the water and check whether it floats or sinks. You can see that it floats on the surface of the water. Now let us drop the iron nail in the water. You can see that it sinks. Now drop a marble in the water and observe what happens. Yes, it also sank in the water. Now let us drop the paper clip in the water and see what happens. See, it also sinks in the water. Now let us drop the rubber ball in water. Oh, it also sank in the water. Let us now drop the plastic bottle cap in the water and see what happens. You can see that it floats. Now let us drop the thumb pin in the water and check that whether it floats or sinks. You can see that it also sank in the water. Now let us drop the small plastic ball. You can see that it floats on the surface of the water. The density of rubber, iron and steel is more than that of water. So, the articles made up of these materials like the rubber eraser, an iron nail, the paper clip, etc. sink in the water. The density of plastic, wood and foam is less than that of water. So, the articles made up of these materials like the plastic bottle cap, the wooden piece and the foam piece floats on the water. The objects which are denser than water will sink in it. The objects which are less dense than water will float on it. Visualize science with IntelliBrain and fall in love with learning.